This is a 1946 Ford Special Deluxe Club Coupe. Nice black finish. And Ford was one of the first to start production after World War II. Beautiful wide white walls, red wheels, interesting red steering wheel, perfect upholstery. Everybody was in a rush to get a car after the war. In fact, there were many waiting lines established to get a car. Notice the turn signals there on the steering column. That's a new addition because you can see the blinker light in the back has been added. And there it is. Some chrome adorn the car. Rather smallish back window. But you see that the running board is concealed under the door. Flares out at the bottom. What's left of the running board, not much. There's the antenna for the car radio. So not too many cars had the radio, and so this one is well equipped. And there you see the parking lights centrally located.